Hey, Callum here, and today we'll make the Grape and Rosemary Negroni from the Cocktail Kitchen book. This simple twist on this ultra classic is absolutely banging. So, before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up to date with all of our new content. Let's do this.
If you're already a Negroni fan, then this twist is the best way to elevate those flavours you love to a new dimension. The Grape and Rosemary Shrub adds a whole nother layer of depth to the already complex profile of the classic Negroni. The strong, boozy impact of the Campari and gin is followed by a burst of sweet grape, leading to a finish of the subtle spices of the vermouth and the herbaceous, savoury notes of the rosemary. While the classic Negroni is usually stirred, the technique we want to use for this Negroni is rolling, a sort of hybrid between shaking and stirring. If you're new to this technique, simply pour the liquid from one shaker tin with ice to the other, 3 or 4 times before pouring over ice. With the addition of the shrub, we want to add a little bit of aeration to loosen up the texture while still getting the necessary dilution to fuse all of the flavours together. And there you have it, a Grape and Rosemary Negroni. Enjoy.